Hey guys, it's me Deb and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some pot roast in the crock pot. To start, I used a 3.5 pound chuck roast with some beautiful marbling. And then I seasoned it with salt, black pepper, white pepper, onion powder, and some sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning that I had on hand. But of course, use whatever seasonings that you like. Also, make sure to season both sides of your chuck roast as well as the edges. Once you have your chuck roast seasoned to your liking, add some oil to your cast iron skillet and brown it on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's brown and beautiful like this, add it to your crock pot dish and start to prepare your vegetables. We're going to chop up a couple of yellow onions as well as about 5 red potatoes. Now for the liquid, I'm going to be using some beef stock. I use Better Than Bouillon and then mix it with water. And then just set that to the side. Now back to our cast iron pan that has all those little goodies from searing the chuck roast, and add our onions to it, as well as some minced garlic, and I like banana peppers, so I added some to it as well. Now once everything is all cooked down and those flavors melted together, add that to your chuck roast that has been waiting for you in the crock pot, as well as your beef stock and potatoes. And as a little finishing touch, I also like to add a couple of bay leaves for some extra flavor. Now keep in mind that this is a crock pot meal, so it is going to take a while. I cooked mine in the crock pot on high for about 5 hours. After about 4 hours, I added 2/3 of a bag of baby carrots. And look at how beautifully seasoned this pot roast looks, and it is so tender. This was for a Sunday dinner, so I served it with some macaroni and cheese, cornbread, and a Caesar salad. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and follow me for more of my recipes.